Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss interview questions and answers related to internal promotion examination for banks. Welcome to part 16 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025 to 2026 series, where I simplify bank promotion examination interviews with practical questions and answers, examples to help you climb the banking career ladder faster. Interview questions and answers from Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS). What is the Senior Citizen Savings Scheme? SCSS is a Government of India backed small savings scheme meant to provide regular income and financial security to senior citizens after retirement. Under which act is SCSS governed? It is governed by the Government Savings Promotion General Rules 2019 and its amendments. Who operates the SCSS accounts? SCSS accounts are operated through post offices and designated public or private sector banks. What is the primary objective of SCSS? To provide safe investment, assured returns, and quarterly income to senior citizens. Who is eligible to open an SCSS account? Individuals aged 60 years and above. Are retired persons aged 55 to 60 eligible? The answer is yes. Retired employees aged 55 to 60 years can open an account within 1 month of receipt of retirement benefits. Are defense personnel eligible below 60 years? The answer is yes. Defense personnel can open SCSs irrespective of age, subject to retirement conditions. Can NRIs open SCSs accounts? No, SCSs is not permitted for NRIs or HUFs. Is joint account allowed in SCSs? The answer is yes, but only with spouse. The first holder must be the investor. What is the minimum deposit amount? The minimum deposit amount is rupees 1000. What is the maximum investment limit under SCSS? The maximum investment limit under SCSS is rupees 30 lakhs. Can a person open multiple SCSS accounts? The answer is yes, but total investment across all SCSS accounts must not exceed rupees 30 lakhs. Is nomination facility available? The answer is yes. Nomination can be made at the time of opening or later. What is the maturity period of SCSS? The maturity period of SCSS is 5 years. Is extension allowed after maturity? The answer is yes. It can be extended once for 3 more years. When can extension be applied for? The extension can be applied for within 1 year from the date of maturity. What is the interest rate under SCSS? Interest rate is notified quarterly by the Government of India. How is interest paid in SCSS? The interest in SCSS is paid quarterly, like in April, July, October, and January. Is interest compounded in SCSS? The answer is no. Interest is simple and paid out, not compounded. What happens if interest is not withdrawn? The unwithdrawn interest does not earn additional interest. Is premature closure allowed in SCSS? The answer is yes, but with penalty. What is the penalty if closed before 1 year? The answer is closure not permitted before 1 year. What is the penalty after 1 year but before 2 years? The answer is 1.5% of the deposit amount is deducted. What is the penalty after 2 years? 1% of the deposit amount is deducted. Is SCSS eligible for tax deduction under Section 80C? The answer is yes. Investment qualifies under Section 80C up to rupees 1.5 lakh. Is interest earned taxable? The answer is yes. The interest earned is fully taxable. Is TDS applicable on SCSS interest? The answer is yes, if interest exceeds rupees 1 lakh in a financial year for senior citizens. Can Form 15H be submitted? The answer is yes, eligible senior citizens can submit Form 15H to avoid TDS. Can SCSS account be transferred? The answer is yes, it can be transferred between banks and post offices. Is online opening of SCSS allowed? The answer is as of now, account opening is offline, though interest credit may be online. Can power of attorney operate the account? The answer is yes, with proper authorization. How does SCSS differ from fixed deposit? The answer is SCSS offers government backed safety, quarterly income, and tax benefits unlike regular FDs. Is SCSS risk free? The answer is yes, it is sovereign backed, hence extremely safe. Why is SCSS popular among retirees? Due to regular income, capital safety, and predictable returns. Can SCSS be pledged or used as collateral? The answer is no. SCSS cannot be pledged. What KYC documents are required? The answer is Aadhaar, PAN, age proof, address proof, and photographs. Is PAN mandatory? The answer is yes. PAN is mandatory for SCSS. What happens in case of death of account holder? The answer is amount is paid to nominee or legal heir, interest till date is payable. What is the role of a bank officer in SCSS? The answer is account opening, KYC verification, interest payment, compliance, customer guidance. How do you ensure compliance in SCSS accounts? The answer is by verifying age, investment limits, PAN, nomination, and KYC norms. How will you handle excess deposit cases? The answer is excess amount must be refunded immediately with savings interest. A customer aged 59 wants to open SCSS. What will you do? The answer is inform ineligibility unless retired under eligible category. A senior citizen wants monthly income. Is SCSS suitable? The answer is no. SCSS provides quarterly income, not monthly. Customer wants a joint account with son. What is your response? The answer is it is not allowed. Joint account is only allowed with the spouse. Who notifies SCSS interest rates? The Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Is SCSS affected by market fluctuations? The answer is no. Returns are administered and fixed for the quarter. Can SCSS be closed online? The answer is no. Closure requires physical application. How will you explain SCSS benefits to an illiterate senior citizen? The answer is using simple language, examples, and written acknowledgement. How do you handle senior citizens sensitively at branches? By offering priority service, patience, and clarity. Is SCSS suitable for tax planning? The answer is yes for Section 80C, but interest is taxable. Can SCSS be extended multiple times? The answer is no. Extension is allowed only once. What happens if extension is not opted? The answer is account is treated as matured and savings interest applies. What is SCSS better than PMVVY? The answer is SCSS gives liquidity and tax benefit. PMVVY gives pension certainty. How does SCSS help financial inclusion? By ensuring secure income to elderly population. Why should banks promote SCSS? Because it strengthens customer trust, social responsibility, and CASA relationships. What compliance risks exist in SCSS? Excess deposits, wrong age verification, PAN or TDS issues. What internal controls should banks maintain? Proper audit trails, KYC, and investment cap checks. What is your role as a promoted officer in SCSS operations? Ensure accuracy, compliance, customer satisfaction, and audit readiness. Why is SCSS more important for India's social security system? Provides financial dignity and stability to senior citizens. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.